Light Talk episode number 10. So, hi guys and welcome back to new Light Talk. My name is Manny and you can find me on our Facebook page at Retouch Pro. In today's Light Talk, we're going to discuss the complete light setup here from the image that you're seeing right away. So this is not too complicated, we're only going to work with 2 lights again. Yeah, so let's get right away into the whole strobe system before we start talking about the light modifiers. Again, as usually, I again worked with my Elinchrom BX500R strobes. These are pretty good, I can just recommend them, and a lot of power, very helpful. For this project, I can also recommend again working with ProPhoto, nice and crisp light, and as well maybe the Elinchrom Quadro range. It might be a little bit on power, but you can get away with just the beauty dish here. Maybe for the front, get something that has a bit more power. Okay, great, so that's all about just the strobes that I've used, and just 2, one for the front and one on top. Now again, for the front, we've used a big Octabox. I showed you guys this before already in some other tutorials. Here's the big Octabox with the silver inlining. As you guys can see, it's obviously without the rods and without the diffusing material. Put this to the side. So this basically, for the whole project, I've added just again a diffusing material in there. The reason for that is first of all to get a very soft light onto my subject's front and to obviously on the face and onto the body. But also using this big Octabox so I can get some nice spill of the light onto my background. So again, as you guys can see here in the shot, I've shot this on a grey background, 50% grey, charcoal grey. The reason for that was, first of all, they wanted some texture on the shot, so I had to shoot again with a grey background so I can add texture. But I need some details on the background. So for that, again, using the big Octabox helps me to just get some details again onto the background. So again, getting away with 2 things with 1 light. First of all, key light, and the subject is nicely lit from the front, and again, spill light onto my background. Great, then also I've used another light for the top, first of all to get some really nice hair light going and some nice light to spill here onto the shoulders. So I don't need to create another 2 lights from left and right with maybe strip boxes or some other small soft boxes to get rim lights. I just wanted a soft light from the top. Okay, so again for that I've used a medium sized beauty dish, again silver inlining here as you guys can see. Also, if you want to know more about all these tools, about the light modifiers, everything is in the description down below, or have a look on our Creative Cave. We're talking quite a lot about our tools there. Okay, so I've used this again for the top, and as well this time with the diffusing material. Very important, I wanted to have some really nice soft light on the top of the model and also on the shoulders, so not too hard and not using it without the diffusing material. Yeah, so that's basically all that I've done again for this whole project. Only these 2 strobes and light modifiers. Yeah, and that's basically all about this light talk as well. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share it with all your buddies that can benefit from this light talk, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.